You change your oil to keep your engine healthy, right? But what if I told you, the way you're doing it could actually be killing your engine faster? In fact, mechanics say over 80% of drivers make at least one critical mistake during their oil change. And most of them don't even realize it until their engine starts knocking. Or worse, fails completely. In this video, we're revealing the 21 dumbest oil change mistakes that can quietly destroy your engine. And some of them happen within seconds of pouring in the oil. And hey, if you care about protecting your car, saving repair bills, and learning smart maintenance tips, this is your channel. We've crossed 4,000 hours of watch time, and now we're racing toward our first 1,000 subscribers. So if you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, it means a lot. Don't guess. Always follow the manufacturer's specs. 5W30 and 10W40 are not interchangeable. Using the wrong viscosity can ruin your seals and stress your engine. Cold oil drains slowly. Warm up your car for a few minutes before an oil change so it flows better and removes more gunk. So, a lot of people crank it down like it's a wheel lug, but honestly don't do that. You risk stripping the threads or even cracking the oil pan. If it's too loose, you'll slowly leak oil, and, well, you might not notice until the engine's dry. Just follow the torque specs or feel for a firm, snug twist. If your plug uses one, it really needs replacing every single time. Reusing a crushed washer means a slow leak, low oil, and yeah, possible engine failure. Always check your old oil filter after removing it. Sometimes the rubber gasket sticks to the engine, and a double gasket will cause massive leaks. Oil sludge or debris on the mounting surface can keep the new filter from sealing properly. Always oil the rubber gasket on your new filter before installing it. A dry gasket can tear or stick, causing leaks. Cheap $3 filters? Not worth it, folks. You're trusting this piece to protect your engine from metal, sludge, and dirt. Yeah, it's really not something you want to skimp on. If it threads on, it doesn't mean it's the right one. Using the wrong filters equals wrong pressure or fit, and that can lead to total engine failure. Definitely something to keep in mind. This sounds obvious, but people often forget to check the dipstick after filling. Always verify you've reached the safe level. It's one of those little things that makes a big difference. Too much oil can aerate inside the crankcase, creating foam instead of proper lubrication, and that kills engines. If you forget to reinstall the cap after filling, you'll get oil spraying under your hood. Worse, dirt will fall into the engine. After your oil change, always run the engine for 60 seconds, then check under the car and around the filter. No leaks, you're good. So, that funnel sitting in your garage, it could be, covered in dirt, debris, or even metal shavings. Make sure to clean it before using it. Waiting for the oil light to come on is honestly just too late. Change your oil by mileage or time, whichever comes first, even if your car feels fine. If your car has a digital oil life gauge, trust it. Modern systems monitor conditions, not just miles, so, yeah, pay attention to what it tells you. Not only is this illegal, it destroys the environment. Always recycle your oil at a local auto parts store. After you change the oil, reset the dashboard oil reminder, otherwise you'll forget when the next change is due. While you're under the hood, check your air filter. A clogged filter reduces engine efficiency and can worsen oil condition. The real oil level is most accurate after a 10-minute drive and 5-minute cool down. Check it again and top off if needed. Track your oil changes, mileage, and filter types. It makes resale easier, keeps your engine safer, and shows you're a responsible owner. We built this channel to give real drivers real knowledge, without the nonsense. If you learned even one thing today that'll help protect your engine, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We've crossed 4,000 hours of watch time, thanks to people like you. Now let's hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone together. Until next time, drive smart and take care.